sure has a lot of questions. If you look, you can see them everywhere. Use your mind to define energy and time. It's more than just some numbers on a page. Let's go, let's go. Vectors, friction, motion. Let's go, let's go. It's a lot more fun with a little commotion. Curiosity is the remedy. All you really need's velocity. Let's go, let's go. Professor Skull. Let's go, let's go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Let's go, let's go. Professor Skull.
Hi, I hear you all do welding here?
Yes, we do.
Whoa, that's awesome. There's such a high demand for welding. From cars to planes to bridges to buildings, every industry depends on it. Now, I'm looking for a little bit of advice. I've built these two robot lab assistants, Rusty and Sparky. And with Rusty, I think I may have missed some critical welding points. But with Sparky, I think I may have just welded her too tight.
Well, welding is really hard. It takes a lot of practice to really get good at it. Let me show you what we got over here.
Okay, thanks. Wow, this is so cool. Amazing. Oh, hey, you're here. It's me, Professor Scow. And welding is both an art and a science. Maybe they'll let us ask them a couple of questions when they finish. Can my friends and I ask you a few questions?
Of course.
What's the matter? Not who you expected? So, will you tell us your name and for how long have you been welding?
My name is Anna, and I've been welding for about 4 to 5 months.
Wow. What is your most favorite thing about welding?
I just like how easy it is. Like, after a while, you just get a hang of it, and it's just fun to do whenever you can.
Very cool. Can you tell us a little bit about the equipment?
So this is your welding helmet, and you wear this whenever you're actually going to do it so your eyes don't get burned. And same thing with the gloves and all your stuff that you're wearing. You just want to be covered so you're not going to get burned.
Excellent. Safety is really, really important when it comes to welding. It's important that Anna here wear protective clothing as well as ear protection. She has to protect herself from all kinds of potential hazards like electric shock, fumes and gases, noises, really super hot objects, and even explosions. Anna, can I be honest with you?
Yes.
I've built these two robot lab assistants, Rusty and Sparky, and although I think the overall metal structure is pretty good, I think I may have missed some wonky welding in their circuitry.
So since I'm an arc welder, you'll be needing a circuit welder for that.
Okay. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I think I may have somebody at SCO Labs. Well, thank you so much, Anna, for your time.
Thank you.
And remember, keep welding. Welding is an extreme science. So let's talk physics. There's an energy transfer that takes place. Electrical energy is converted to thermal energy. Arc welding uses an electric current to create heat to melt and fuse the metals together. There's also a change of state. Initially, the metal is a solid. When you create that electric current, it produces heat, which is used to melt the solid into a liquid. When you turn off the electric arc, that liquid solidifies back to its solid form, producing the newly formed weld joint. Pretty cool, huh? Hey, here's a question for you. Do you know why shipbuilders started using welding instead of rivets? Don't know? Go to ProfessorSco.com and click on In the Know to find out.
So now let's try to take a line, a straight line, and just go right here, okay? Straight line. And if you want to try here first, step on that. This one. Okay, so we'll strike it, we'll sort of push it down, and roll it at the same time, okay? Did you see how you were long on? Did you notice it was really flaring up there? Yeah. Okay, so that's long. I forgot to tell you the important thing. As you're welding, your rod is getting stored.
Okay, I think it's time I get back to SCO Labs and continue working on my own special welding project, Rusty and Sparky. Well, if you love working with your hands, consider an exciting career in welding. Okay, SCO fans, until next time, keep sciencing! I think I may have missed some wonky welding in their circuitry.